Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the hole size and choosing the matching Duralast Thread Insert Kit. This ensures the insert grips and aligns. Once done, clean the hole with brake cleaner to remove oil and metal chips so adhesive and threads seat properly. Next, drill the pilot hole to the exact diameter listed in the kit. Make sure to keep the drill square to avoid misalignment. These first steps set the foundation. Do them accurately to prevent cross-threading and ensure durable repair. You now tap the hole using the supplied tap, cutting threads to the full depth with steady, controlled strokes. Reverse occasionally to clear chips so threads stay clean. After tapping, apply the recommended adhesive or thread locker sparingly to the external threads of the insert. This secures it against vibration. Then, install the insert with the insertion tool, turning until it sits flush or slightly below surface. This prevents interference with mating parts. Make sure to align the insert so the internal threads match the fastener path. Finally, remove or break off the insertion tang as the kit specifies. Then clean any excess adhesive and allow proper cure time so the bond gains strength. After curing, install the correct fastener and torque it to the manufacturer's specification, inspecting engagement to ensure threads carry load properly. If you notice strip out or poor engagement, stop. Re-tap to the next specified larger insert size, or use a helicoil method recommended for deeper repair. This troubleshooting step prevents repeated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.